So this is an example of a tax planning proposal. The numbers here are real. The names have been changed to protect the innocent. So this is kind of what a proposal looks like. So this is for true planning, not just after the fact doing a tax return. This is kind of what it looks like. Table of contents. We may have not included all the pages in this example for confidentiality. Planning is before the year is over. Preparations after the year is over. One can reduce taxes beforehand. One can't do very much after the fact. So this example, this particular person's income, net income, was about $350,000 per year. We implemented this plan in October of 2020. Despite it being late in the year, things work out sometimes very well, sometimes they don't. But we were able to get $43,000 of tax reduction this year in 2020. That number for 21 and 22 is $44,000 respectively for each year. And that's by doing things in advance. Some of the areas that we look at, not all inclusive, but here's some of the areas we look at: various deductions, entity design, retirement, Tax Cut Jobs Act. Here's kind of a list that we look at. This covers the stages of planning. There's planning part. We send you a questionnaire if you're so interested. We'll send you a questionnaire that'll help us out. Ultimately, it helps you out on the tax reduction. Then we implement. Typically, we do quarterly meetings. We want to make sure you're on track. Now, tax planning can also work in conjunction with business advisory services. Many times it works out really well. The advisory side is where we're helping on the operational side, what's going on with the business. That's the accounting side of it. This is the tax side of it. They can stand alone. Not everyone wants tax planning. Some only want tax planning and no help on the advisory side. So it varies. And then we got the preparation part when year's over. We have different options within the tax planning. We got the planning only. We've got planning and core implementation. And then we got implementation and quarterly meetings, and it includes these various items. After you agree, we didn't do a kickoff call. If we need to, we'll file more requests and questionnaires. Then we'll finalize the tax plan. So the proposal is we get a pretty good idea what your numbers are. The plan is we actually go over it, make sure this is what you're going to do, what needs to be done. You agree to it so we can move forward. Again, we spell out the savings here. FAQs, important information. So again, this is planning. That's a quick overview of what we can do. It's not for everyone, but there are many times opportunities that you can avail yourself to that are not the typical tax deductions. Thanks, bye.